So performing a second marriage while the first marriage is in subsistence is called as bigamy. So today we will be discussing about the position of bigamy under different personal laws. So according to Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, as per section 17 of the HMA 1955, if a person is considered to be a Hindu under the act, marries another person in the existence of his or her first marriage, that is, the first husband or wife is alive, then the person shall be punished under the provisions of the Indian Penal Code. Talking about Muslims, so according to Muslim Women Protection of Right on Divorce Act 1986, under this act, unlike other religions, there is no particular or specific provision for bigamy, and if a Muslim man has a right to marry twice, thrice, or four times, and if he is not able to treat or respect all his wives in an equal manner and he fails to do so, then he is liable. Talking about Parsi, so according to Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act 1936, Section 5 of this Act affirmed bigamy as null and void or dissolved, and also imposes a penalty which has been laid down under Section 494-495 of the Indian Penal Code. Talking about Christians, so according to Christian Divorce Act 1896, this act does not provide a specific law for bigamy, but at the time of registration of marriage, Section 60 lays down that none of the parties to the marriage should have been in an existing marriage, and if a person gives an oath or declaration, then he or she is liable under Section 193 of the Indian Penal Code. These provisions explain that under this act, more than one marriage is considered to be illegal. And according to Special Marriage Act 1954, Section 44 of this act lays down that if a person commits bigamy, then he or she is liable under the Section 494 and 495 of the Indian Penal Code. So talking about the punishment for bigamy in India, bigamy in India is a non-cognizable offense and it is bailable and compoundable when the permission of court is granted. And if the offense is committed under Section 494 of the Indian Penal Code, the punishment for bigamy is imprisonment of maximum of 7 years or fine in some cases, and it can also be lead to both. And in case a person is charged of bigamy has performed the second marriage by concealing the fact of first marriage, then he shall be punished with imprisonment of up to 10 years or fine or both, and such offense comes under Section 495 and it is not compoundable. Thank you so much.